We have almost 1,000 customers that we take care of, their generators, year in and year out. What we do is we'll come out either once a year or twice a year, depending on the number of outages that you're having. We'll change the oil, we'll do all the general maintenance that's required to keep the warranty in force so that you can have confidence that the generator will be ready when the power goes out.
So one thing we offer is when we do a startup, we will run down the whole unit with you. We'll do a test, show you what to expect. And then we also offer service plans, pretty extensive. I have some customers that want me there every other month to check on their generator and service it. On average, most people go with twice-a-year options. We're at that unit every 6 months. We're checking fuel levels, and we're going through the whole thing. All this is designed to make sure that when you need it, it'll run and it'll work.